Hello students, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to discuss about central problem of an economy. What is the problem of an economy? Now in an economy what the problem arise, कैसे economy में problem arise होते हैं, तो उससे how it should be dealt. वो problem क्या रहते हैं जो economy में एक तरह का challenge दिए जाते हैं. What are the problems in an economy which give rise to upcoming challenges? Okay, first is about what to produce. In an economy, the perspectives are to produce a goods and services, and that goods and services must have ultimate consumer, or you can say ultimate utility of the particular product or service, and it must have a demand and needs in a society or in a economy. So what to produce means till what quantity the good need to be produced. Whether suppose if I say about production of butter or bread should be more than that of production of weapons. Clear? If there is a production of both, then in what quantity the butter must be produced and what quantity the weapon must be produced. Okay? So it deals with what to produce. Okay? Means what to produce and what quantity need to produce. Okay? Then next come about how to produce. How to produce means what are the techniques need to be adopted to produce a particular product. What are the technique need to be adopted to produce a particular product. क्या टेक्निक हम यूज करेंगे कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए. Suppose if you want to, एक small example, suppose if you want to type a letter, we can type the letter in a typewriter also and we can type the letter in a computer also. Both have a different sequence and both have a different outlet and different output results. Clear? So what technique should be used? क्या टेक्निक हम यूज करेंगे to produce that particular product? What technique should be used to produce a particular product? Okay, so that in what efficient manner the output can be more, the production can be more, the input is efficient and the production is more. So in what efficient manner we can use means what small input can give a good output of results. Okay, what technique should be adopted. Next come for whom to produce. A simple example. For whom to produce means which section of society we need to produce. For whom? Suppose salt. If I say about salt need to produce for all sections of society, upper level also, middle level also, lower level also. If I say about gold, the gold are luxury product. Salt is a common product. It is consumed by all the section of society. But gold is a luxury product. It is consumed by especially upper level class of society. Okay. So for whom to produce, we need to keep in concentration about the production, about the consumer of that particular product. Who is going to consume that particular product? हमको ये फोकस करना है कि particular product के ultimate consumer कौन है. Okay? Suppose if there is a production of gold, अगर gold का production है तो gold किसके utilize में होते हैं? वो ज़्यादातर कौन? Those who are the purchase of gold. Those are the upper section of society. Okay? That need to be produced. We need to keep in mind. हमको इतना फोकस करना है कि कितना quantity हम produce करें. For whom we are going to produce? हम किसके लिए produce करने जा रहे हैं? But if we say about salt need to be survival for life. So it need to be get enriched for all section of society. Okay. So this was all about central problem of an economy. So now students, please do like, subscribe and comment in our channel. Okay. So that we can able to spread our ideas, views among all in a wide. Okay. Thank you for the day. So as we see here students, that the central problem of an economy. What does it mean? It starts from what to produce. Means it involves the problems of selection of goods and services that need to be produced and quantity of to be produced for each selected commodity. Now it means what quantity the good need to be produced, at what extent. Okay, that's it, we can say हम बोल सकते हैं suppose machinery and equipment. Okay, so the machinery and equipments, it need to be consumed by whom? By the producer. Okay, so regarding this, at what extent the good need to be produced, because these are what? These are capital goods. Okay, so at what quantity the goods need to be produced. In the other sense, if we say rice, wheat, cloths, bread, butter, etc., etc., so these are what? These are necessity goods. Economy had to decide which consumer going to consume these goods. Okay, which consumer is going to consume this goods. So, to what extent this kind of rice, wheat, cloths need to be produced. In other way, if you say about guns, tanks, other weapon, so to what extent that kind of good need to be produced, because all the burden need to be get through the economical way. Okay, so it what to produce means at what quantity, what extent the good need to be produced regarding selection of each quantity of goods or each product of goods. As I said you earlier, machinery and equipment must have at what number of machinery and equipment need to be produced. Rice, wheat, cloths in the other hand, at what extent the production of rice, wheat and cloths must be there. Whereas in other way, guns and tanks, at what extent they need to be there. Clear? Next come in number 2, we say how to produce, means the technique of production need to be produced. Okay, the technique of production need to be produced. Suppose few things which is done by a labor, just as in labor intensive technique, more labor, less capital in form of machine. Okay, what technique need to be adopted? The thing which is done with the help of machine, the labor utilization is very less. Where in other sense, if there is more capital, less labor utilization. Okay, so means what, in one sense we are saying that more labor is there and less capital in the form of machine, because if labor works more, there will be less capital to be required to be spent, because it is labor intensive technique. In other sense, if we say capital intensive technique, means more capital is required but less labor utilization, means we use the machinery work or other thing more, then it is a capital intensive, because it is capital will be required, that is plant, machinery, other equipment need to be required, capital goods need to be required, where we have to use, in other sense we have to use less use of labor intensive techniques. Clear? In the third number we see for whom to produce, means we have to realize, we have to identify for whom we need to produce, who are those consumer of the goods, whether these are rich level of society of people or poor level of society people, or mix up of both. As I gave you an example now, so that suppose salt is about consumed by all level of the consumer, whereas if a production of for rich people, there is a gold. The gold is a luxurious good, so which level of people will consume the gold? It is consumed by the rich level of people mainly. Okay, so there is a problem of selection of category of people who will be the ultimate consumer of the product. Okay, who will be the final consumer of the product? So for whom to produce? Okay, whether production of goods is for rich people, or more for rich people, less for poor people, or more for poor people, less for rich people. Okay, this need to be looked out.